Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start using Google Docs. To do this, first you will need to log into your Google account and just open any Google page. That way you should be able to find the Google Apps in the top right corner of the screen, click on it, then scroll down and look for Google Docs. They should be available somewhere around here. It's a blue paper icon. Just click on it. Then we can create our blank document. You can also import your own documents by clicking on blank document, then the file, and here we have the open, and now we can upload any file that you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.